love, in this video I'm going to show you how I revamped this wig right here, taking it from this which you see to this beauty. If you want to see how I was able to wash this wig, treat it and restyle it, achieve this beautiful look, then please keep on watching this tutorial. This is what we're starting with right here. So the first thing I'm going to do is to detangle the hair. I'm going to use my hairbrush to brush it from the tip all the way to the top of the hair. And after I've completely detangled the hair, I'm going to proceed to wash it using my Tresemme Silky and Smooth shampoo. I'm going to apply a generous amount to the hair while I get the hair wet. And then use my hands to massage the product all over the wig and start the process of washing the wig. You want to take your time and ensure that you get to really wash the wig well, and you're not just washing just the exterior of the hair, you also have to ensure that you wash the interiors of the wig cap. Ensure that you keep washing it, rinse it off. Don't stop till the water is completely clean. That's the water coming out of the hair. I did the first wash and I'm doing the second wash right now. I reapply the shampoo and I'm using my hand to spread the shampoo all over the hair while I also get the hair wet. It's also help me spread the products to the rest of the wig. And I'm just using my hands to massage the products all over the hair, massage the hair. Still get it wet to sort of rinse it off while I'm also washing it. And I'm using my hairbrush to brush through the hair from the tip all the way to the top of the hair to detangle it while I wash it, and just to ensure that all strands of this hair are completely washed and it's clean. And I think I'm pleased with how clean the wig is right now. So I'm going to rinse it off and then proceed to condition the hair using my Tresemme Rich Moisture Conditioner. You want to be generous with your conditioner. Take that product and apply it all over the entire wig from the top all the way to the tip of the hair. And then I'm going to use my hairbrush to detangle the hair from the tip all the way to the top. And after brushing through the hair, the next thing I'm going to do is to apply my leave-in, my deep conditioner, which is this one right here, which is the Argan Oil Keratin Magic Complex. I'm going to apply generous amount all over the hair from the top all the way to the tip. And if you feel like the product is not sufficient, take more. Be generous with your product. Don't be stingy. You are trying to give the hair the much needed moisture it needs to remain healthy and smooth, soft, very healthy. Next, I'm going to apply castor oil. I'm just taking a cover of that bottle, one cover from that bottle, and applying it all over the hair. And also, I also added coconut oil, and I'm going to massage that product all over the hair. And after I'm completely massaged the product all over the hair, what I'm going to do next is to brush through the hair. And this is what it looks like with all the products in it. I'm going to heat the hair up in the microwave for a few minutes so that the hair the heat opens up the cuticles and the cuticles absorbs the product. And then I'll proceed to rinse off the hair. And after rinsing off the hair, what I'm going to do is to air dry the hair, and ensure you rinse the hair until the water coming out of it is completely clean. You don't want to have a lot of products build up, because heating up the hair allows the cuticles to be opened and absorb the product. So we're just using the cold water now to just seal off the cuticle so that it's closed in, and then we're going to air dry the hair. And this is what it looks like after the washing process. You can see that the hair looks a lot more healthy, unlike how it looks before. But what we're going to do now is to style the hair. So I clipped away the upper part of this hair. I'm going to moisturize it using my Moroccan Argan Growth Oil Serum. I'm going to put product on my palm and then massage it together and then apply it all over this section of the hair. I'm also going to spray my heat protectant spray, which is this one from Argan Oil Protein Magic Complex. It's from the Delofil brand. If you don't find this particular product that I use in my videos wherever you are in the world, just buy similar products. You don't have to use the exact products that I use. Buy what you have available in the country you're in, because currently I live in Lagos, Nigeria. I don't know if you're watching me from the US, from Ghana, from South Africa, from any country in the world. You might not find this exact product that I use. When you go to your beauty supply store, buy the products. The basic products you need to style your wig. You need your Argan Oil Serum or any other serum that you like to use. You also would need your heat protectant spray. There are lots of brands that have each heat protectant spray. And then of course your tool, which is your coiling wand. This coiling wand I'm using right here is a 25mm coiling wand, and I put the heat at 230 degrees Celsius, or rather 250 degrees Celsius, which is about 750 Fahrenheit, which is the highest heat and then I use the coiling one to coil the hair. And after coiling one part of the hair, I'll use my hair clips to hold it up because I want the heat to cool off. I don't want to just drop the coils down, because if I drop the coils down after coiling it, the coils are not going to last long. So keeping the pins up there is going to help. What's going to help the coils last longer. So you notice that when I'm coiling the right side of the hair, which I'm currently on right now, I'm sort of coiling the hair to go in the left direction. Though it might not look like the hair has direction right now, but when I'm taking out the hair clips, you're going to observe what I'm doing. And if you coil it the first time and it seems like your hair is not obeying, just keep trying until you get it right, exactly how you want it to be. If you're watching this video so far and you're not subscribed to my channel, sis, bro, please click on the subscribe button right below, and also turn on the post notification bell right beside the subscribe button so you don't miss future uploads from me. And if you haven't bought my ebooks, these ebooks are very affordable. They retail for less than $5. Yeah, so check the description box for links to purchase these ebooks. While the paperback copy, which is available on Amazon, it's just a little bit more pricey because, of course, Amazon charges certain fees, and plus the printing cost and all of that is somewhere around $20 thereabouts. So if you want to purchase these ebooks, check the description box. The ebooks are how to start your hair business ebook, and also hair extensions and how to test its quality. There's a lot of information there. A lot of information that you would not find on TikTok, on Instagram, on Google, that you will find there. So just purchase these ebooks. They will definitely bless you. They're going to enrich you with lots of information, lots of inspiration, lots of insights that you need to keep on thriving in your hair business and in other businesses that you do. So I've completely coiled the back of the hair. What I'm doing right now is to coil the hair around the closure area. I also moisturize the hair with the argan oil serum, sprayed my heat protectant spray. What I'm doing right now is just to coil the hair on the back part of the closure first. So I'm just cutting out the hair on the back part, and then after I've cut out the hair on the back part, I'm just going to comb through it and start trying to style it, comb through it. And then you see those flyaway hairs, I'm going to try to just sort of slip it in, and then I'll coil the hair and clip it up there. Then next, for the rest of the hair on the closure area, what I want to do is sort of layer it. So I use that scissors to sort of cut it in a downward motion. And after doing that for one side, I'm also going to do the same thing on the other side, because I just want the hair to sort of hug my client's face a lot, when she hug it a little bit when she wears it, because I didn't do an excessive layering. It was just the closure area I layered. And this particular hair right here, she bought this wig from me about basically like 3 years ago. Yeah, 3 years ago. And you can see the hair is still very, very healthy. It's raw hair that she bought from me, and I colored it myself for her. And of course, the hair is still popping. You can wear it straight, you can wear it wavy, but she likes to wear it wavy, so I just styled it as wavy for her. So I took out the coiling one from that one on the back, and what I want to do now is start coiling the rest of the hair in front. I sprayed my heat protectant spray, and I'm using that coiling one to coil the hair. And after coiling it up, I'm going to hold the coiling one up there for a few seconds, and then I'll take out the coiling one and pin the hair up. And I'm going to head over to coil the other side right now. Comb through it, use the coiling one to flatten the hair around the closure area, and then proceed to coil the rest of the hair. And after I've coiled the hair completely, what I'm going to do is to let the coils set. Let the coiling one heat up the hair very well, and then I would take out the coiling one after a few minutes and then pin the coils up. And then I'm going to let those pins to stay on the hair for about 2 days or maybe even a day. And then I'll take out the pins. And while I'm taking down the pin, you notice that the hair on the right side, the coils are going in the left direction. And the hair on the left side, you're going to see now that the coils are going to be going in the right direction. The right side goes in the left direction, the left side goes in the right direction. They meet each other in the middle. So I'm using my Tresemme hairspray. This is going to just help the coils last longer. So I sprayed the hairspray on the hair, and then I proceeded to go over to take out the hair clips on the rest of the hair. So the same thing I did on the bottom parts. The coils on the left side are going in the right direction, and the coils on the right side are going in the left direction. Why am I whispering? I don't want anybody else to hear it. I just want only you that's watching this video to hear it. So this is how you ensure that your wig looks very beautiful when you're taking down the 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 curls. This is how you make your wig look very beautiful. And while I do it, I use my comb to comb through the hair just to ensure that it's smooth and looks really nice. Any curl that is not really obeying me and going in the direction that I want, I use my comb to just sort of comb it and take it in the direction that I want it to go, and it obeys me. Yes. So when I take down the curls, I just comb the upper a little bit, and then I spray that holding spray on the hair that I just dropped. Because if I was just spray it after I've put down the entire hair, some of the hair on the bottom part wouldn't receive the holding spray. That's the reason why I did it step by step, until just to ensure that every part of the hair gets the holding spray. If you are getting value from this video, please make sure you like this video and share it with somebody who is also going to get value out of it. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please support your girl. Click on the subscribe button right below, and also turn on the post notification bell right beside the subscribe button so you don't miss future videos from our YouTube channel. I sincerely appreciate your support. Thank you so much for being here, watching my videos. Yeah, I know I'm teaching you here on for free, but it's something, it could be a bit stressful sometimes, like having to work on these weeks and then also film it and edit the videos and put it out there. But it's something I'm committed to doing. I've been doing this for over, is it 6-7 years right now? So it's something I don't think about stopping. I don't think I'm going to stop. So this is the finished look right here. You saw what I did, the entire process, and I really hope that you enjoyed watching me take this week from this right here to this beauty which you see here. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Remember, be bold, have courage, do a positive life, and I'll most definitely see you in my next video. Bye, love.